Hey David, Sylas here from Ascension Marketing Agency. Here's this video that I promised you. It's the custom video for Southern Pro Restoration. What I'm going to go over in this video is I'm going to show you guys exactly how your website is performing, show you guys how your online presence is currently, and also give you some tips and tricks on how to optimize your website, to optimize your online presence, to gain more traffic and leads, and potentially more clients and revenue as well for you folks. All right. I'm also going to be doing a side-by-side comparison with another company in your area. So the roofing company, Roofing and Solar, will be showing you their numbers as well. All right. So now the three things I'm going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. And then, show you how to optimize each of those. So first up is content. Now for your homepage, you want about 1,500 pieces of content. So by pieces, I mean words, pictures. So this is, just off of first site, you want to bump up your content just a little bit, right? And also you want some content on these other pages as well, these other tabs. Reason being is because Google will see it and it just looks better in Google's eyes. So that's just how Google rolls, and we got to play their game, right? Now another thing that goes hand in hand with content is keywords. And a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And these keywords can be placed anywhere within your content on any of these tabs. All right. Now, if we dive a little deeper into keywords and what that means for you folks and your website. So if we look here, I got your website plugged in over here. These are just your numbers for your site. Now, as we can see, you have 350 keywords located somewhere on your site. So that's good, and that's bringing in 45 traffic per month. All right, so 45 people are coming to your site every month because of these 350 keywords. So if we were to look over here at how your competitors are doing, so you have them plugged in up here, we'll notice that they have 462 keywords, bringing them 1.2 thousand traffic per month. So let's just imagine for a second, if you folks were getting 1.2 thousand traffic to your site, how many of those visitors can turn into possible leads and clients? Good. So we'll go back here. We'll look at what type of keywords you guys are being found for. So what I'm looking at here, David, is over here is what people type into Google. This is how many times per month they search that in. And this is your position on Google for that. And then also how many traffic you're gaining because of that keyword. So we'll notice, when it comes to keywords real quick, is you want to have more buyer intent keywords. And what that means is you want people typing in a service that you provide coupled with the service area that you service. So I'm going to try to find an example real quick. A good example of a buyer intent keyword would be I guess Tampa roofing. That's an alright one. Now the majority of these, I'm going to be completely honest, they're pretty general, and meaning that wind damaged shingles, gas certified contractors, wind crease shingles, anyone anywhere in the country can be searching these up. So that's why you want more buyer intent keywords. Now let's see if your competitor has some that I can give an example of. So yeah, right here, Tampa roofing repair. So that's more buyer intent because whoever's searching that up 400 times a month, they obviously live in Tampa or near, and they're looking for a roofing repair. So if you were to have this keyword or this keyword, Tampa roof repair, roof repair Tampa, roofing repair Tampa, something like that, then whoever's typing that up has more intent of buying that service, the roof repair, right? So obviously you can do roof replacement, roof installment, or the type of roof. So metal roofing, repair, Tampa, so on and so forth. All right, you kind of get the gist. So what you can do, actually, David, is go over here into any one of your competitors' websites, look at what keywords are maybe working for them, right? So the keyword, the volume, see what the type of traffic that brings them, and go ahead and use it on your own website. So take that keyword, implement it on your own site. Got it? So that's keywords. Next thing I'm going to go over are backlinks. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable text. So anywhere you find your website link found on another website that's not yours. obviously. So let's look at these two numbers. So this means that your website link is mentioned 166 times or posted 166 times on 90 different sites. So if anyone were to visit these 90 sites, whatever they are, then there's somewhere on there a link to your site. So that's good because if they want it, they can click it, go to your site, and that's a potential lead, right? So if we look at the roofing company in Tampa Bay, we'll notice that their website link is posted 2.1 thousand times on 572 different sites. So you would want to boost up your backlink number a little bit, but also the quality of it really matters here, because you would rather have your website link, which is for a roofing company, right, to be mentioned on something that has to do with roofing, like maybe pros and cons of types of roofs, versus a blog about cats and dogs. Which one has a high chance of getting clicked on? You know? So that's backlinks. You want the quality and quantity to be there. Keywords, you want more buyer intent keywords. Both of these will boost up your organic traffic. So next, I'm going to go over citations. And a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address can be found on Google. So places like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureau. These are directories, so there's hundreds of them out there. And the more places like this you have your name, number, address listed, then the higher chance you have of being found up here. So if you want to be found up here with these, usually it's 3. This one's an ad, that's why. So if you want to be amongst the top 3 on the Google Map Pack for your area, then you would want to boost up your citations, right? Because the bigger your online presence is on different sites, then that builds trust with Google, and they'll start to rank you above your competitors. Make sense? So quick recap, David. Citations, that'll help you get found over here. So you want to boost those up. And then quality backlinks, you also want to boost those up, coupled with buyer intent keywords amongst your website. That'll boost your organic traffic up. And all of this will help you increase your online presence. And the bigger your online presence is, then the higher chance you have of people visiting your site. And the more people visiting your site means more potential leads and clients and revenue for your company. All right. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you learned something, and you can go ahead and implement these strategies for your own site to take you guys to the next level. But if you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. All right. So other than that, David, again, hope you like this. All I ask is that you please leave some sort of feedback for me once I send this out. What are your thoughts on it? Did you like it? What did you like best about it? Okay. But other than that, that's it for me. Hope you have a great day, and we'll keep in touch. Have a good one.